So one of the biggest, I think, misconceptions is that the behavior at Liberty is bad. Yeah, are our kids a little rowdy? Yeah, I mean, if you go down here and they're walking down the hallway, you'll see kids will be a little bit loud, but as soon as class is in session, it's quiet. Our students are here not because they did anything wrong. These are not students who were expelled. These are not students who got kicked out of BHS. This is a school of choice. So my name is Zachary Pless. I am the principal at Liberty High School. This is my first year here. It's my 10th year as an administrator and my 16th year as an educator. Continuation high schools have been around for decades. They were set up really to address dropout rates. So what they did is they said, okay, we'll make these smaller schools. So the idea is, yes, they're smaller. They're for older students. And then the other piece is making sure that they have a way of accelerating getting more credits.
Why did I transfer? Because I was lacking in credits, because I didn't do so well in most of my classes. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was like, oh, bad kids, this and that, and all that. And I mean, I figured out now that it's not, but it was very negative. Well, now that I've been here, I found out that it's not much different from the high school. It's very similar. Honestly, the only difference is variable credits, and maybe they're more forgiving on assignments and turning stuff in.
It just works with your schedule a lot more. I know I'm able to work a lot more than I would if I was at BHS because we get out earlier, and there's like just a lot of different things that are beneficial to going here, and pretty much any real effort you put into it, you get rewarded for.
Kids might come in with a little different maybe life experiences that weren't accustomed to, dealing with like medical issues, dealing with their own life experiences, and this will be an opportunity for them to succeed in a place that they can like feel relaxed and feel like they can get a lot of work done and achieve their goals. The students that carry from last year, they know what Liberty is about, but when they first come, they're trying to feel us out. And it takes a little while, and then once they feel us out, they kind of understand what's going on, what's happening here, and they want to stay. Like when they first start in my advisory, it's like, hey, what's your goals? My goal is to go back to Benicia High. And then once they're here, they find out all the opportunities we have for them, post-graduation, at the graduation ceremony, just their experiences here, they want to stay.
I think they just don't know what it's all about. They haven't come down here. They don't maybe talk to kids as much. I remember when I was in high school and a kid went to Liberty, you didn't hear from them quite as much. You might see them around town or whatever, but they don't really know what's going on down here. And then but the kids that are here, from the inside looking out, they love it. From what I know, I mean, what I've seen, it's the best thing for them.